You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this video game. If you want to learn more names that are confusing from gaming, make sure to stay tuned. So, the name is inspired by a classical Chinese novel named Journey to the West. Black Myth, you probably knew how to pronounce it. Then the name itself, from Chinese, Wukong. 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 Blacksmith Wukong. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.